Both the two barriers, the B614 and the B680, are operating from this XGuard. It's not the normal way in which you'd set up an installation, but as an example, I can show you how we can use it as both a safety and an activation field. The XGuard is enclosed in the housing that we can provide as a post and also a protective cover. The XGuard has two LEDs on it, indicating the activation and safety field on the front here. And when you walk into certain areas, you'll be able to activate the barriers. In some spaces, you'll be able to stop the barrier coming down as a closing safety. I've set the area just out in this space here as an activation, and to protect from people putting their arms into the equipment, I activate the safety area in front of the barriers themselves. Normally that safety space would be underneath the arms of the barrier. So I can make the barriers open by walking into the area of detection in a certain angle. As you can see, the barrier is open because I've walked in. If I allow them to close, and I can walk into the same space, but I'll go across at the wrong angle, straight across this way, I'll be ignored. If I activate them again by going in from this direction, I can now prevent them from coming down by going into the safety area. As you can see, both the LEDs on here, they've both gone red, indicating there's an activation, but also a safety input that's been coming from this XGuard. As I step back out of the space, the area is clear and the barriers will then come down. The safety field will pick up on any object of any size, but when the activation field is set up correctly, you can actually limit the object size. You can make it so only objects larger than 120 centimetres will be detected and therefore filter out for mostly pedestrians, making it so it's only vehicles coming in the right direction that will activate the barrier.